Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Desrin. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. Now, if I'm like talking low or whispering, my grandmother is here visiting and she's staying right across from me. I don't want to be too loud and disturb her, so yeah. Just want to update you guys with my hair and show you what it's looking like because it's doing some stuff. Today marks 1 month since I last washed and retwisted my hair. However, I'm not washing and retwisting my hair tonight because it's already too late, and no. I'm at my 3-month mark, or I'm past my 3-month mark now, like by what? A week? Almost a week? Yeah. So that was so ugly, but I'm hyped. I'm so excited because I feel like my hair is actually making some pretty good progress. As you guys saw, I have a lot of budding going on. I have some big boys, but yeah, I don't know why they're so big. Because honestly, my parts, like, they're not even like big parts, but they're getting really fat. I know they're gonna probably shrink a little bit once they do mature more, but the ones that are budding they budding, like they got a lot of business going on. The ones in the front are finally starting to bud a little bit more, so at the top is where I've been noticing where like the budding is happening is closer to my roots, or just like the first half of the lock. But yeah, I'll show you guys the back, even though I already did before, but goodness, guys, like seriously, I really can't wait to wash my hair because my scalp is just so bad, especially at my crown up here. Oh my gosh. Since I'm waiting to wash my hair Sunday, I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment tonight, so I'll probably record that for you guys and I'll show you what I used in my hot oil treatment. It's pretty basic. As far as any like major updates, it's really just budding and frizz, guys. Like, as you can tell, like, my hair, it does look more full and looks thicker than the first month, obviously, but I'll try to insert something new over here somewhere for you guys to look at, to just kind of see a better comparison of what it looked like 2 months ago and what it looks like now. Other than that, that's it. My scalp looks nasty right now, so I'm not about to just be like, oh, look at my scalp, because we don't want to do that. Not today, not right now, not ever. So yeah, that's it. But it's definitely feeling more firm. My concerns, these small ones, this looks so much bigger on camera, I feel like, than in person. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I was bugging. Maybe it's finally getting thicker now, because this one was like super small. Like, I get it's small now, but it just was smaller before, I feel like. I don't know, I just can't wait for these side ones to start doing something. This one's starting to bud a little bit right here, but I'm sure once I wash my hair and retwist it, I'm gonna notice that these side ones are gonna be doing a lot more. But it's also a looser texture on the side too, so. But yeah, I need, like, look at that, what is that? That's sad, is what it is. That's probably from me like wearing my hair different ways though. Ooh, whoa. I love looking at them, like, I do. I just love like feeling them and touching them. It's a problem, it really is. I try to keep my hair wrapped up as much as possible if I'm not going out or I'm just staying home, because I really don't want my hands in my hair 24/7, because that's what I'm used to. And now that my hair is in a different state, that it feels different, I just want to touch it even more, like all the time, all the time, all the time. I am like so in love with my hair, guys. I know I think I said that last video, whatever, but I'm so in love with it, and I just can't wait till it starts doing more stuff. like for real, like growing and maturing, you know. Shrinkage hasn't been too bad actually this time around, but like I said, this time I didn't wash my hair 2 weeks in like I normally do. Normally I wash my hair every 2 weeks. This time I waited a whole month. I don't know if I could do that again. I know I could. I don't know if I want to do it again because my scalp is like, it's not like an all day kind of itch, but it's like when it itches, it itches. And no. I've still been moisturizing my hair with rose water and an oil of my choosing. Normally, what have I been putting in my hair? I'll either use my grapeseed oil that I got from Whole Foods, or I will use my sweet almond oil that I also got from Whole Foods and don't really want to show, but yeah, that's that. I don't use my Rejuvenate oil in my hair anymore, mainly because now that it's like getting cold, or it is cold outside, I really want my hair to have like a thick sealant, like a thick sealant, or a thicker sealant I should say, because I don't really want something that thick on my hair, but these are just heavier than a Rejuvenate oil and that's why I like it. So yeah, doesn't really matter. I feel like whatever oil works best for me. So that's it. I'm gonna show you guys my hot oil treatment and how I do that. It's pretty simple. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with my hot water and my oil mixture that I have. What I like to do is to get like hot water fast. We have a Keurig, so I just press the middle button and call it a day. Feel me? So nice and hot. This, like, the oil gets hot very fast, guys, like very fast, which is, it makes sense, it's liquid. So benefits of a hot oil treatment, for me, I'm doing this as kind of like added moisture and kind of a pre-poo, since I'm shampooing Sunday even though it's Friday night. I plan on doing my hair Sunday morning, so it's not really going to be that huge of a gap. And I'm only applying this to my scalp. I'm not applying it to the rest of my hair. My scalp is what I'm worried about right now because it's barking, like barking, and we gotta get it together. We gotta get a grip because we not doing this right now. Like we not like it itches so bad. Like, even right now it itches, and I just want to but I'm not going to. I'm gonna try my best not to. But what I put in this oil mixture, mainly this is the main ingredient, black castor oil. This is the peppermint kind, or the rosemary. I wanted the peppermint kind, but they didn't have it. So what I ended up doing was I went and got peppermint oil. I got vitamin E oil. I don't know if I can see that well. Jojoba oil. What else did I put in this? I think that was it. Just the 4 different oils. I might have put some sweet almond oil in there. I can't even tell y'all. Honestly, it's just a blend of my favorite oils. So, but the thing with this, so if you're gonna do it, I definitely suggest like getting like 100% like a pure oil. These have like other oils in it as well, but they're not oils that I'm mad at. So that's that. But this should be hot now. Don't just apply it directly to your scalp. Test it on the back of your hand first, because you don't want this to be like scalding hot. Like honestly, like you really don't. You want it to be like soothing and nice on your scalp. So now I'm just gonna, I didn't even test it on my hand. I'm sitting here preaching to y'all like, don't do it, it's gonna be scalding hot, and I'm about to just sit here and apply it right to my scalp. So I'm just gonna test it on the back of my hand first. That's tolerable, so we gonna get right to it. I would recommend doing a hot oil treatment maybe like once a week, once every 2 weeks. Whenever you feel like your hair really needs it, it's always good to have that added moisture, and having it warm or hot also allows your scalp and your hair to soak it up better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.